Hi, my name is Benko and I'm a researcher here at Microsoft Research. Today I'll show you my newest demo called MirageBlocks. MirageBlocks is really a result of our research in spatial augmented reality, and we were investigating the way that you would interact with freehand gestures in space. So this particular demo showcases how you can instantaneously digitize or virtualize any physical object and then interact with it right on your tabletop. It's a single user demo. That means that you actually have to use these 3D glasses that are just shutter glasses. The main idea here is that anything that you bring to the table is instantaneously digitized. In other words, any physical object that you bring up becomes virtually reflected on the table. So how does this look? Well, if you put your hands right in front, you actually see the reflection of the hands right there. You're seeing double images, but I'm seeing just a single stereoscopic image in my eyes. This actually means when you put an object down, such as Ernie here, Ernie is a good friend of mine, we can instantaneously capture it. And how do we capture? Well, there's a little button here on the side. If you press that, Ernie becomes virtual. So the physical representation of Ernie we can move away. Now the virtual representation behaves just like any other virtual object would. So you can do all the things that you're used to in CAD software, like rotation and movement. You can also do things that you cannot do to physical objects, like make the Ernie a lot bigger, or you can make the Ernie a lot smaller, so you can have a very little Ernie on the side. Let me show you how you can use this to actually build up a virtual castle just out of a couple physical blocks. So the grid just shows you the ground plane, and this is a mirroring line, so anything over here is going to be mirrored on the other side. What this gives us is the opportunity to actually build up a little castle, a couple blocks here. And let's start with this base and let's capture them. That's our virtual representation there. Now we can move things down into the table, things that you actually cannot do with physical objects, but virtually it's totally fine, and build the next level. And what if we move it down just a little bit more? Maybe we can now build something that is not necessarily possible in real world, which is do things that gravity would defeat, but in here they work just fine, something like this. And here you have it. You have a little castle object that is just built up directly out of physical blocks. Well, this was MirageBlocks demo. And I hope you're starting to see how we're researching these ways to bring the physical and digital virtual worlds together in a seamless manner.